Let me ask you something. Have you ever stared at your screen, forgot why you opened the fridge, reread the same sentence 12 times, and still thought, nah, I'm fine. I just need coffee? Yeah, your brain is not fine. It is screaming for help. Let's talk about what actually happens inside your brain when you don't sleep properly. No fear-mongering, just science with spice. First, your brain goes into low power mode. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is maintenance. When you sleep, your brain cleans out toxic waste, strengthens memories, repairs neurons. When you don't sleep, your brain says, okay, we're surviving, not thriving. Your attention span drops. Your reaction time slows. Your thinking becomes buffering. Fun fact, being awake for 17 hours straight makes your brain perform like you're legally drunk. But no one takes your phone away for that. Second, your memory starts leaking. Ever feel like you studied, but nothing stuck? You forgot names, words, ideas. Your brain feels like a broken USB drive? That's because sleep is when memories get saved. No sleep equals memories stay temporary. Information doesn't transfer to long-term storage. Learning speed drops hard. You're not bad at learning. Your brain just never got time to press save. Third, your emotions go wild. This one is scary. When you don't sleep, your emotional control center, prefrontal cortex, gets weak. Your fear and stress center, amygdala, goes feral. So now, tiny problems feel huge. Small comments feel personal. Motivation disappears. Anxiety spikes. That's why after bad sleep you think, everyone hates me. My life is over. I should disappear. After one good night's sleep, actually it's not that deep. Sleep equals emotional armor. Fourth, your brain starts making bad decisions. Sleep deprivation messes with impulse control, logic, long-term thinking. So your brain chooses junk food, doom scrolling, skipping workouts, procrastinating important work. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is literally choosing survival dopamine over growth dopamine. No sleep equals short-term pleasure brain wins, every single time. Fifth, your brain ages faster. Yes, really. Chronic poor sleep is linked to faster brain aging, higher risk of Alzheimer's, reduced neuron regeneration. Your brain cells need sleep to repair DNA damage. No sleep equals damage piles up, like never servicing a car and wondering why it broke down at 30. So, is one bad night a disaster? Relax. One bad night equals your brain is annoyed. Chronic bad sleep equals your brain is in danger. Sleep isn't weakness. Sleep isn't laziness. Sleep is brain optimization. The real truth, listen close. You don't need more motivation, more discipline, more caffeine. You need better sleep because a rested brain learns faster, thinks clearer, feels calmer, makes better decisions, and works with you, not against you. Final message. If you want a smarter brain, a calmer mind, and higher discipline, don't hustle harder. Sleep smarter. Comment. I choose sleep if you're done sabotaging your brain. Like, subscribe, and share with your sleep-deprived friend.